Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nicole with Vintage Pigeon. You on my progress. If you saw my video before, I was having a meltdown and felt like I was drowning in all of my stuff. This space is part of it, and obviously I have cleared it out. This is just my laundry for my family. It's the last video, which I was supposed to have this all done in a week. It's already been a week and I'm not done. So what has changed? My plans have changed. We ended up finding a store that was going out of business in town. 150 black huge storage bins from them, and I ended up getting their shelving that they have in the back for their storage. My plans on how I was going to approach this completely changed. You got to expect changes, it's okay. It worked out to be really, really great, but I lost days in my plan of a week of getting this done because I spent a couple days getting this stuff. It was actually free. That is one change. So now I'm not using any of those moving boxes that we talked about to start triaging my pieces in this room and in other rooms. I'll give you a tour after this. I triaged all my pieces into those bins. I have yet to put the shelving up so I can put the bins in the shelving, but the bins are triaged, most of them labeled, and I've sent out three ThredUP boxes. So my plan was to just start learning how to just give things away if I know I can make some money off of them, because otherwise they're just sitting here for a really long time. I grade myself. Well, alright guys, how I grade myself is an F. Sales have suffered because I'm not working on my inventory, sharing, listing, everything. But it didn't matter, it was always going to be the wrong time, but it just is what it is, and I'm going to feel. I give myself an F because I let myself get here, and even then I believe in the whole how you clean it up thing, but I cleaned it up and I still am not there. After a week, not in a place where I can start getting back to being efficient with my time. Don't have anything set up with my square footage being optimized, so I'm giving myself an F. I'll give you a tour. You can see how much I've accomplished, which I have. Here we go. Another tour of my workspace. One thing upstairs, there's nothing. Okay, so upstairs has been completely eliminated. I'm going to be able to show you the 3 spaces of downstairs that I was using and what has changed. So stick around if you want to see the tour of my accomplishments, and if you would really like this video or dislike it, I personally don't care. Bad attention is still attention. So if you dislike this video, it still shows you watched it. Haters gonna hate. Could you please do something to show that you watched it? Like one of my friends posted that the volume was really difficult, and I was able to make an adjustment because of that. So those things help. They're not rude. They're not criticisms. Criticisms? It's not criticizing. It's helping. There's a man dropping off a box. I'm gonna go and do the tour. So stay tuned and hit subscribe and notifications, because what I plan on doing next are 2 things. 1 is a vintage shoe haul that I've been promising for a week. 2, what ThredUP didn't take unboxing. Subscribe, like, comment, and stay tuned for the tour. I mean, okay, that bin is gone, but I'm my shipping space a little, not much, and here we are. Oh, that's my glamour shot. I hated it. I hated doing it. There's nothing about that glamour shot that I like, except for the fact of how uncomfortable it made me in 8th grade. So that's why it's standing there. And I think it's funny now. At least I have a good sense of humor, right? Let's unstuck ourselves. This is part 2. So if you wouldn't mind, do me a favor. Tap that like button, hit the subscribe button, and notifications. I am giving away a $150 mystery box to my first 100 subscribers. No, I actually passed 100. I think it's the first 1,000 subscribers. And if you follow me on Instagram, that will help improve your chances. It is XO Russell Posh on Instagram, and that's double S, double L. Also, if you want to find my Poshmark closet, that is XO Russell, double S, double L. So like the button, subscribe the button, hit the notifications. I will keep on getting better. I just started doing these videos, actually just started posting. I just started posting these videos. So if you have any comments, that would be fantastic. That'll help me with my YouTube. So I would really appreciate it if you made it all the way through this video. Then at least put something in the comment like, bitch, please. All right, do something, say something. Let me know you care or don't care. I don't care. Just let me know. Okay? We agree on that? Look at these eyes. Do you see what my life is doing to me? Oh, fuck. All right. Bye, bitches.